fire service has evolved into a profession, so it's important that we create leaders that are capable of engaging in all these technical activities. So data, now harvesting data, cleaning the data, and then using data to inform decisions, not drive decisions. When you think of fire science, you think of firefighters, right? But there are civilian components to it. There's emergency managers, civilian fire inspectors, civilian fire protection employees. We'll see oftentimes police officers that are assigned to a fire investigation unit. We might have civilian fire investigators that work for insurance companies. So we serve that entire population. The other focus of this associate's degree is occupational safety and health. Back in the day when I first started on the fire department, we did what we did because we always did it that way. And today we quantify risk through the assessment of the community. We know that it's better to prevent that type of an incident rather than respond to it. So we're shaping the mind and the thought process to transition from a siloed response operational posture to one of risk assessment, allocation of resources, taxpayer funding, to minimize risk, which should prevent the event from happening in the first place.